Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. In today's video, I've shared how to prepare the all-time favorite tea time snack, onion pakoda, with lots of tips to make it crispy and tasty. I've taken 3 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. Take them in a wide mixing plate so it's easier to mix. Add few chopped green chilies, grated ginger, sliced garlic, few curry leaves, finely chopped mint and coriander leaves, coarsely ground fennel powder, chilli powder, asafoetida, Kashmiri chilli powder, garam masala, and required salt. Use your hands to squeeze and mix well. This way, onions will release a lot of its moisture. Let the onion masala rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In a small bowl, add few cashews. This is optional. Soak in water for 10 minutes. Now add the soaked cashews to the onion masala and mix well. I'm adding 8 teaspoons chickpea flour, add 4 teaspoons rice flour or half the quantity of chickpea flour. Add 2 teaspoons corn flour or half the quantity of rice flour. Check and add additional salt as required and mix well. Use your hands to squeeze and mix well. I've not added any additional water. The moisture from onions is sufficient. Prepare pakodas immediately as onions will continue releasing moisture and that will make the batter runny and you won't get crispy pakodas. I'm adding some hot oil, or you can also add a pinch of baking soda at this stage. Mix well. Now disperse the pakoda mixture evenly in medium hot oil. Keep tossing regularly so that pakodas get crisp evenly on all sides. You can take them out when it is light brown. The pakodas will turn dark and crisp as it cools down. This is a super tasty, addictive snack. I had to prepare a second batch as the first one did not last long. I hope you give this a try as well. And if you do, don't forget to share your feedbacks and comments. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to stay updated on all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.